Ni hao. San ar. 咦，
我是中文学生。Hello everyone, 大家好. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to say "How are you?" and how to respond. And we are also going to learn how to count from 0 to 10. Let's get started. So now, when someone asks, 你好吗? Ma is used at the end as a question tag. So the answer should be yes or no. So 你好吗? That means how are you? And then how do we respond? If you are okay, you say 我很好. That means I am very well. So next time if a friend asks you 你好吗? If you're doing good, you say 我很好. Correct. Now in the second part, we are going to count because in the first chapter we did 1 to 5. But today we are going to count from 0 to 10. Let's try it. 0. Ling. 1. Yi. 2. R. 3. Sin. 4. C. 5. U. 6. Leo. 7. T. 8. Ba. 9. Geo. 10. She. Did you get that right? Well, let's see what Becky will do.
0. Ling. 1. Yi. 2. Ir. 3. Sun. 4. S. 5. U. 6. Leo. 7. Ta. 8. Ba. 9. Chill. 10. She. 谢谢